Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. In this session we are learning a new chapter, chapter 12, Algebraic Expressions. It is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with arithmetic operations such as plus, minus, multiplication and division, so on children. What are the variables and constants here? See the name carefully. Variables, vary, that means the value will vary. X, Y, Z, so on. These letters we use for variables. Constants. Constant means the value doesn't change. The value remains the same. Right? 1, 2, 3, so on. Here all the real numbers are constants. So that algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constants along with arithmetic operations, children. Right? Let us see some examples, children. See, x plus 2. Here x is a variable and 2 is a constant. And here we are using the operation plus. So this is a operator. Right? X is a variable and 2 is a constant. Here we are using arithmetic operation addition. Variable can take various values. That's why we denote with alphabets X, Y, Z, so on. Constant has a fixed value. See, 2 is a constant here. I cannot say this is 3 or 4, right? It is a 2. It has a fixed value. Now see the second expression. 2 is a constant, 3 is a constant and x is a variable. Right, children? Now see the third expression. 5 is a constant and y is a variable here. Now see the combination of constants and variables along with arithmetic operation. So these are called algebraic expressions. Right, children? Terms of an expression. The algebraic expression containing so many small parts. Now see, these parts we are combining with arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, so on. These small parts are called terms, children. In this expression, this 2x is first term and 2y is second term along with sign, children. And this is the third term. So these are the parts of an expression which are formed separately. First, second and third, so on. These are called terms, children. Terms are added to form an expression. Right? Now we have three algebraic expressions, children. Now see the first one. 4x plus 5. Here 4x is a first term. And 5 is a second term. In second expression, 4x square is a first term and minus 3xy along with sign you have to say. Minus 3xy is the second term. In third one, 2y square is the first term. 2 is the second term, children. In these terms, we have factors and coefficients, children. We'll see the first term now. 4x square. How we will write 4x square, children? It is 4x x. 4 into x is 4x square, right? 4 into x. That is 4x square, right, children? Now these three are called factors of this term. What are the coefficients? The numerical factor is said to be coefficient of this term, children. Here what is the numerical value? 4. 4 is a coefficient of this term. Second term minus 3xy. We can write minus 3xy as minus 3 into x into y. Correct? We have three factors here. These are factors. What is the coefficient here, children? The numerical value is a coefficient with sign. So minus 3 is a coefficient here, right? These are the factors and coefficient is a numerical value. What are the like terms and unlike terms, children? When terms have the same algebraic factors, they are called like terms. See here, 6y square and minus 3y square. Now see the factors here. We'll write the factors. 6, y and y. For this term we have three factors, 6, y. Now for this term we have three factors, minus 3 into y to y, right? Now observe, we have the same algebraic factors, y and y here, y and y here. Except numerical value, right children? Except numerical value, if you have the same factors for two terms, those are called like terms. Here also y square is there, here also y square is there. Except the numerical value, do not compare with 6 and minus 3. Only take algebraic factors. Y square here. So that I can say 6y square and minus 3y square are like terms. Now see 8xy and 3xy. Here also we have xy. Here also we have xy. So these two are like terms. 4x and minus 2x. Here also we have x and here also we have x. So these two are like terms. If I compare 4x plus 5y square. Now see, this is with x and this term with y square. These are unlike terms because these factors are not same. Right children? Now we'll take another example children. This is an algebraic expression p square plus 3pq minus q square minus 1pq plus 3p square. Now we'll see like terms here. We'll check first term. Here we have p square. Now check. Here we have p square term. See? So we can say p square and 3p square. Both are like terms. Now see 3pq and minus 1pq. Here also we have pq. Here also we have pq. So that we can say 3pq and minus 1pq are like terms. Here minus q square is the only one unlike term children because there is no such terms here with factors q square. We can categorize algebraic expressions by the number of terms children. If any expression with only one term, single term, is called monomial. Example 5m 3pq minus 2y. See here, this is one term and this is one term and this is another term. Right? Single terms here. In this expression, it is containing only one term. Such are monomials. Binomial. Bi means two. You know that, right? An expression containing two terms, these are called binomials. Example, a square minus b square. See, in this expression, we have two terms. A square is one term, minus b square is one term. Right, children? xy plus y. In this expression also, we have two terms. These are binomials. Trinomials. Tri means three. In any algebraic expressions, if you see three terms, those are called trinomials. Example, x plus y plus 7. In this expression, we have x is one term, y is one term and 7 is another term. We have three terms here. This is called trinomial. Polynomial. What is polynomial, children? In this expression, we have one or more. One or more terms. It is a combination of one or more terms. It is called polynomial. 3x square minus 2y plus 6xy minus 8y square. See, we have many terms. This is a polynomial. Right, children? Addition and subtraction of like terms, children. Why only like terms? Let us take example x square plus y square. Right? This term containing factors x square and this term containing factors y square. We cannot add them, right? Because these are unlike terms. We cannot apply operation like addition and subtraction on unlike terms. Right, children? So that we are taking only like terms. First we will see addition of like terms. 3x plus 4x. Right? 3x is one term and 4x is one term. Now see the factors 3 into x. Here also we have x factor and 4 into x. Here also we have x is a factor. Both are like terms. Now how to add these like terms? Now check first and second term. In these two terms we have x common. Right, children? So write x separately. And what are the remaining numbers? 3 operation plus and 4. Right, children? X into 3 plus 4 is 7. Now what is the answer? 7 into x is 7x. Right? Like this we have to do. Let us take one more example. 2x square plus 6x square. 2x square and 6x square both are like terms because both are having same factors. X into x here, here also x and x here. Right? Both are like terms. We can add. Here also we have x square and here also we have x square. So that take x square common outside. Write it outside. And what are the remaining numbers inside? 2 plus 6. Correct, children? So x square, let it be here only, and 2 plus 6, it is 8. What is x square into 8? It is 8x square. This is the answer, children. Now we'll see subtraction of like terms. Let us take 7n minus 4n. Right, children? Here also we have factor n, here also we have factor n. So these are like terms. Let's take n common. Write n outside of the bracket. Now inside we have to write 7 and 4 with the operation minus. Right, children? Now n here 7 minus 4 it is 3. What is n into 3, children? 3n. Like this we have to do addition and subtraction of like terms. Now we'll see addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, children. Let us take an example. 3x plus 11 is one algebraic expression and 7x minus 5 is one algebraic expression. Now we will add these two expressions. How? 3x plus 11 and plus of 7x minus 5. We have to add. Add means plus. You know that, right? Now we will remove the brackets and write it separately. 3x plus 11 plus 7x minus 5. Right, children? 3x and 7x are like terms here. So write it separately. 3x plus 7x with the sign. And 11 minus 5 are constants here. Write it separately. Plus 11 and minus 5 here. Now what is 3x plus 7x? We have already learned how to add terms. Take x common. 3 plus 7 inside. Plus 11 minus 5. Right, children? X is here and 10 inside. Right? 3 plus 7 is 10. Plus 11 minus 5 is 6. 10 into x is 10x. Plus 6 is the answer. You can add directly here only. 3x plus 7x. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10x. Right, children? You can do directly also. Now we will do subtraction of same algebraic expressions, children. First one, 3x plus 11. Subtraction means minus, you know that. 7x minus 5 is the second expression, right? Here we have minus. Now remove the brackets and write the numbers. 3x plus 11 here. Now multiply with minus here. Second expression we have to multiply with minus. Minus into plus 7x is minus 7x. Minus into minus 5 is plus 5. Right children? Now write like terms separately. 3x and here we have minus 7x. And constant separately plus 11 plus 5 here. Right? 3x minus 7x. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. You know that. We have already learned in integers. Right children? So minus 4. X is common for both the terms. So minus 4x. 3x minus 7x is minus 4x. Plus 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is 16 here. Minus 4x plus 16 is the answer. Right children? Let's start exercise 12.1 children. Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variable constants and arithmetic operations. First one, subtraction of z from y. Can I write z minus y? No, because they have given from y. That means we have to write y first, then subtraction symbol, it is minus z. Y minus z is the answer. Second one, 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. Think x and y are two numbers. Sum of numbers. Sum of x plus y. That means x plus y here. Right? This is the sum. 1/2 of the means multiplication. 1/2 means 1/2 of 1/2 of x plus y. 1/2 and brackets x plus y inside. Right children? Third one, the number z multiplied by itself. That means z multiplication again z multiplied by itself. Z into z is z square. Right children? Now fourth one, 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. Product of p and q, that means p into q. Right? 1/4, that is 1/4 of the, means use brackets. Right children? Very simple. That is 1/4 of p q. Fifth one children, numbers x and y both squared and added. X and y squared, both squared. That means x square, y square. Added means addition, plus x square plus y square. Sixth one, number 5 added to 3 times the product of m and n. Product of m and n means m into n. Right? 3 times the product of, that means 3 times of mn. Right children? Number 5 is added to that. 5 added. 5 plus 3 of mn you can write. Seventh one, product of numbers y and z. Product of y and z. Subtracted from 10. Right? First we'll write product of y and z. That equal to y into z. Subtracted from 10. From means we have to write 10 first. Then subtraction sign is minus. Right children? This equal to 10 minus yz. Now eighth one, sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. First we'll write sum of numbers a and b, that is a plus b, subtracted from their product. Right children? That means we have to write the product first. What is the product of a and b? That is a into b. Subtracted from this a into b, that is ab minus of a plus b. Right children? Second question, first one children, identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. First one, x minus 3. We have two terms here. Right children? So 2 terms means 2 sides I am writing here. Here x and second term is minus 3. Right children? One term is x, another term is minus 3 with sign you have to write. Now the second question is 1 plus x square. Here 1, 2, 3 terms we have. Just divided into 3 parts. 3, right? First one 1, second one x and third one x square. Right? 3 terms here. 1x we cannot write it. So let it be like that. And x square we can write it as factors of x and x. Because x into x is x square. Correct? C. Y minus y cube. Third one y minus y cube children. Here we have 2 terms. So write 2 terms y and minus y cube here. Again minus y cube also we can divide it into factors children. First one minus is there, so minus 1 y cube. Y 3 times we have to write y into y into y. See, minus 1 into y into y into y is minus y cube. Correct? Now question D, 5xy square plus 7x square y. Here we have 2 terms, so separate into 2 parts. 5xy square is one part, 7x square y is another part. Now this one we can factorize 5 and the next one is x and next one is y here, y square here. That means y into y. 2 y's you have to write. 5 into x into y is 5xy square. Now see the second term, 7x square y. Here also we can factorize this term 7 and x you can write it as x into x and the y here. Right, 7 into x into y is 7x square y. Here we have 3 terms children, minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. Just separate into 3 parts. First one minus ab here, 2b square here, minus 3a square here. Right. Again we can write it minus ab as factors. That is minus 1 into a into b. Right children? Now 2b square also we can factorize. Like 2b square we can write it as b into b. Right? Next minus 3a square also we can factorize. First minus 3 and a here. Again one more a here. Minus 3 into a is minus 3a square. Second question, identify terms and factors in the expression given below. First one, minus 4x plus 5 children. Here we have 2 terms. One is minus 4x and second one is plus 5. Now we'll write the factors for minus 4x, that is minus 4 and x, right? Minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Here for 5, 5 only. Second question, minus 4x plus 5y children. Here we have 2 terms. Minus 4x first term and second term is plus 5y. Now we'll write the factors for first term. Now check here, minus 4 is one factor and x is another factor. Now here plus 5 is one factor and y is another factor. Question C children, 5y plus 3y square. Here also we have 2 terms. First term is 5y and second term is 3y square. Now here 5 into y. Right, 5y is 5 into y. So we have 2 factors, 5 and y. Now here 3y square. That means 3 is one factor, y square means we can write y into y. Y and y are another factors. Question D, xy plus 2x square y square. Xy is one term, 2x square y square is another term. Now check the first term here. Here we have factors x and y. Now here we have factors 2, x square means we can write it as x into x. So x and x, y square means y, y. Right children? Question E, PQ plus Q children. Here the first term is PQ and the second term is q. Correct? What are the factors here? p, q are the factors of the first term here. Now q is q only one factor we have. Now question F, 1.2ab minus 2.4b plus 3.6a. Here we have three terms. First one is 1.2ab, second one minus 2.4b, and third one 3.6a. Now we'll write the factors for first term here. 1.2 ab minus 2.4 here, b is there, second factor, and for third one 3.6 write separately and a write separately. These are the factors for third term. Next one, 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4 children. Here also we have two terms. First one is 3 by 4x and the second one is 1 by 4. Now see here, we have 3 by 4 one factor and x is another factor here, and second term only 1 by 4 is there. And the next one, 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. Here we have two terms. 0.1 p square is one term and 0.2 q square is another term. 0.1 p square we can write it as 0.1 into p because p square, no? Here 0.1 p and p are the factors of this first term. Now 0.2 q square. 0.2 q square means q into q, right? These are the factors of second term. We'll see the remaining questions in next session, children. Thank you very much.